Hey there, this is Josh from the CAE at Tyndale. So you're taking an online course and you're wondering how these live stream lectures work or how to access your professor's pre-recorded videos. Basically, whether you attend a live stream lecture or watch a pre-recorded video, your professor will provide a link for you on classes.tyndale.ca, also known as Moodle. For you asynchronous online learners, I'll keep this brief for you. All you need to do is watch your professor's pre-recorded videos by simply logging into classes.tyndale.ca. Once there, open your course page and scroll down to the section of the week. There you'll either see a direct link to your professor's pre-recorded lecture, or you might see a link that takes you to a page where their lecture has been divided into several smaller videos. So whether it's one big video or several smaller videos, that's all you need to watch for the week. For you hybrid or synchronous online learners, your professor will teach through a live stream call using either Microsoft Teams or Zoom. Both of these services utilize links to help you access the live stream, and your professor will either post a stable, consistent link at the top of their course page in the general section, or they will post a new link every week in their course page section of the week. Or they might even email you a link to your mytyndale.ca, or they might do all of the above, so keep an eye out. But if you ever have any issues accessing their live stream, don't hesitate to email your professor immediately, even if the class has already begun. Now, once you've clicked the link, the live stream call will open in your internet browser. Alternatively, if you've downloaded the app from Microsoft Teams or Zoom, the link will let you redirect the call to the app instead. Please note, however, that if you want to open the call on a mobile device, such as your smartphone or tablet, you would usually have to download the app on it. So as for controls, there is a mute and unmute button, a button for blanking and unblanking your webcam so you can control whether others can see you or not. There's a screen share button that will allow others to see what you can see on your screen. This might be used for presentations. There's also the participants button, which will let you see who all is in the call. There's also a chat button, which will let you open the chat log and let you send messages to your professor and peers. And last but not least, there is the end call button, which will let you, leave and end the call. Pretty simple, right? Well, that's basically all you need to know to get started with your online courses at Tyndale University. This has been Joshua Matta from the Center for Academic Excellence, and I'll see you next time.